Determine which postulate, if any, can be used to prove that the triangles are congruent. Once again, as we do these preliminary problems, whatever we can mark up will be helpful for us. So for instance, on problem 1a, the first thing that I notice is that this angle is congruent to this angle because they're vertical angles. So they're opposite angles, so they are congruent. And we happen to have a theorem that says that if two angles in any side of one triangle, two angles in any side are congruent to two angles in any side of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent by angle, angle, side. If we take a look at letter B, same idea here, except that all that we're given is that we've got two sides congruent. We can't tell anything about the angles, even though it kind of looks like one of the angles are the same. We don't know that for sure, so we can't say anything, which means that these are not congruent. If we look at letter C, we've got three angles in our first triangle. We've got 2 tick marks, 3 tick marks, right angle. We've got 3 tick marks, 2 tick marks, 1 angle. But we don't have any theorem that talks about angle, angle, angle. And in fact, what we know when we have 3 angles congruent is that they're similar, but we don't know that they're congruent. And one last time here, mark what we know, and what we know in this particular problem is that this side is a side for a triangle over here, and it's a side for a triangle over here, so we can mark that up. And what then we have is we have angle, side, angle in the triangle to the left. We have angle, side, angle in the triangle to the right.